Hi everybody, this is Nava here to inspire you to feel fabulous every day. And today I want also to share with you about my 7-day program that I just created for you and for all the clients that are interested to look beautiful and feel great every day of their life. I am sure this is you. So the program that I want to share with you, and I'm working with private clients on it, is all about healing your body with natural color energy. Okay, and we all know that color has a great effect on the body and on the mind. So what we are doing, we are helping the body work in harmony, together with all the organs. So what we do, we are infusing the body with tons of minerals and vitamins to, really flushing out all the toxic and release all the blockages that we have inside the body. So what happens is we are creating a beautiful space for the body to be able to absorb more nutrients and vitamins, and this is how the body actually make you feel fabulous and make you feel look good. Because if you are not able to absorb vitamins and nutrients that you eat, it's in and out, and that's why a lot of people suffer from dry skin, from wrinkle. They look older than they are, lower energy, and psoriasis, eczema, acne. One thing, I think we all know, but we don't want to think about it. Your stomach or your gut has direct effect on your brain and all the head area. That means that what you eat, you can see it on your face. If you eat something that's not good, you get pimples, or you get acne, or you get redness on your skin. And that's why we are working today to get a better idea what can benefit you to create a better, healthier, more beautiful, youthful, more energy, powerful body. That's the whole point of me doing the 7-day empowering program. And again, it's for you, those of you that want to do more for themselves and don't want to be stuck in ache and pains or any kind of medications, or if you feel fabulous and you want to keep your body feel fabulous. Okay, it's for all of us, young and old, older, and like I said, the color energy, the healing with color energy is amazing, and it's known that color is therapeutic for the body, and we know that color affects your mind, and that's why you choose colors that you like or you like less. Also, a lot of fruits and vegetables with specific colors, they have specific benefits for your body. And also, the shape of the body can give you the shape of the fruit will give you an indication what is it good for. So it is a lot of things that I put together to heal specific organs in your body, and to heal your body, to heal your skin, to make your skin smooth and radiant and healthy and sexy. And energy is number one. You want to feel good every day, and that's why I'm here to inspire you to feel fabulous and to look fabulous, all in a natural way. So till next time, please stay tuned. I will send a webinar so you can get a little bit more idea what is it all about and why you want to go for it. It is amazing. It's going in depth about why you want to go for it, why you want to do it, why you want to create space in your body, why you want to release all the blockages of your chakras and your channels in your body. And so that will come soon. Stay tuned. Don't forget, it's coming in a few days, a video and audio that you will listen to. You can listen everywhere you are. And if you have any question or comments, or you want to say something, or you want to say hi, or you want to say something that will inspire others, or a question for me, please do it right here below. Thank you guys, and have a fabulous day.